I can already tell this video is gonna be short.
Hello. Welcome back.
Potatoes and onions. We're just gonna steam it in a foil packet over there.
But did my first rack pull, schooler type of thing.
Did you remember to shove your knees out before you set your back? Yeah, you probably got some gapping in your between your. We're having hamburger and potatoes and.
Dude, this is legit.
Wow. Just gonna steam it up in the fire.
Oh man.
Physically handling the steaks would be interesting.
The steak?
Yeah.
Oh man. Wonderful.
So. But it's kind of fun that way.
Yeah, dude. Just go for it.
You know Ben used to be vegan?
Ben used to be vegan, really?
Yeah, like 3 years ago.
Well, that was dumb.
And now there's now the tables have turned.
Dude, look at that.
They're pretty good.
That is so caveman, bro.
It's kind of dirty, but it's good.
It's kind of dirty. It's kind of dirty. Back in the one person. So here we are, this is Jennie Lake. This is right on the outskirts of Idaho City, about an hour and a half from Boise. As you can see, it's still covered in snow, which is crazy because we're in the middle of June. So for everyone wondering, like, can I come do the sawtooth in the middle of June? No, that's just Idaho for you. Yeah, I have partnered with a gym, a weight program, if you want to call it, keep me fit for the hiking. And so I brought the starting strength team out backpacking for a couple of their first backpacking trips. Have my trainer see what it's like to hike and what that takes as a strength requirement. It's going to be interesting. He's a big guy. He's like 6'5", 250, and so I buy all long gear. He doesn't fit in the long sleeping bag. Like he's too wide. He's too broad. I guess the hiking and backpacking community isn't usually geared toward people that large. So yeah, but it was a super good time. Great to just chill, hang out with new friends. This video is gonna be short because I spent a lot of time, I would call it guiding. I was kind of guiding this trip. Ben and Ray's stuff was all stuff that I brought, so they'd never used it before. So it was a lot of teaching, and that was really rewarding. I really liked that. Like I'm not bummed that I didn't get more shots. Like it was more rewarding for me on this trip to just be able to teach someone from my own experiences and hopefully bring a new activity and joy to their life, and something that they'd get into and something they could do with their family and pass it on to others. And that was the highlight of the trip for me, for sure. So I'm going to be making and posting some videos for Starting Strength for their platform, more on the health and wellness side of hiking and backpacking. So if you want to see those, go check out their channel. More fun hikes around Idaho over here. If YouTube thinks you'll like this one, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.